Hi, CMattDye here. Hopefully you're having a great day. And today I wanted to bring to you some Bitcoin analysis. I recently just did a Cardano analysis. Bitcoin is interesting because it is correlated to everything. Whether you believe it or not, it is what it is. The US financial markets very correlated to Bitcoin, and that comes out with every other crypto. Right now, crypto, people don't know how to evaluate it properly, and Bitcoin should be like gold, like a fear index, but it's not because people don't know how to evaluate it. And right now, it is very correlated to the US financial markets, or the majority of financial markets out there in the world. And why is that? Well, it's because people don't know how to evaluate it. And in a few years, that correlation is going to break down and things are going to go their own way. But right now, they are correlated, and that's how we have to look at it. So right now, I've been watching this view for a long time, but it looks like it could actually break down. So price is going to have to stay over this low right here, which is around 34,273-ish. It's going to have to stay over that and push higher. Now, if it gets back over 50,000 and it can find resistance up here and come back down and then find some support, if it does take off from here, I want to see how that actually is. I don't think this is going to be the low and this is going to 100,000. It could happen, but that's not what I'm thinking. So I put this line up here around 43,000 because if it does support down here and it takes this out, then these levels down here are voided, at least for the short term anyway. You have to kind of see how it moves to kind of get it a better feel for are these validated or not. But short term, if it gets over this level, these are going to be invalidated. So it can push up here, find resistance, and if it does that, when it comes back down, I would expect it to stay over this low right here. And I'm going to say 33,000-ish, just, so if it stays over that, ideally over 35, 37,000, then it should be able to start moving in a fashion where it can get over 100,000 in the near future. So that's kind of what I'm watching. Does it do that? Does it not? It's very crucial here. If it does not get over 43,000 and it stays, let's say it stays under this 40,435 or 40,000, and then it does push down to another low, then that can open the door to something that can take us much, much lower. We have a lot of support down here between 33,000 and 30,000 half, or 30,500. So 30,500 to 33,000, a lot of support here. If it's going to get very weak and start breaking down, there's also a lot of support between this 26,500 and 25,000. A lot of support there as well. But right here above 30,000, lot of support. So 30,500, 33,000. That's what I'm watching if it does start breaking down. So breaking down would mean 36,000 trades, and it does not get over 40,000. So that would be breaking down in my opinion. Of course, if it does hold this and it pushes above 43,000, then we're either getting that move up here into resistance, and this triangle that I've been watching for a long time is actually working out, or something else is playing out. So that's kind of what I'm keeping an eye on with Bitcoin. It's going to be very interesting over the next few days, next few weeks, to see what is actually playing out, and that should give us an idea on everything else in the markets. You can see I have these fibs here, these here, and then these are the higher ones that I was looking at for resistance. This move here didn't quite get there, and then it started to sell off. And now, is this move going to complete in a move that can actually take us lower, or is it going to invalidate and come up into something else? That's kind of the question in my mind right now. So not to make this video too much longer, but that's what I'm looking at those scenarios. And it's going to be a very interesting rest of May. Welcome to May 1st, everyone. Thanks for watching the video. Click like if you like it. If you have any comment, feedback, suggestions, comment section below. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you around the crypto markets. Take care.